joy, gravy, peach pie, spaghetti, rice, and chicken burger.
Someone else eat the other one.
Sabi nila, pag daw kinain to, hindi nilalagay sa plato, kinakagat. So, okay, let's eat. So, ito ang Newcastle. We're in the city center. And there's a lot of things, and I think it's quite okay because there we saw a lot of police. I think it's much better and it's more quiet. And we find this Asian supermarket. We'll have a look inside. Merong dry pusit. This is Taiwan. Is it pusit? Dried B-card. Ano yung B-card, Han? It's not squid. Ito yung ulo ng pusit. I don't know. This is not pusit. What is this? And this is... What is this, Albert? No idea.
Gherkins, beef strips. Oh, gherkins.
Beef strip. Okay. Luwang na. Silang... Yung brodin, yung ano tawag dito sa atin. May ganito rin sila. Oh. Pero, this is China or something. Ah, Taiwan. Ano, Filipino product. May ube halaya, makapuno, may tuna, bangus, tomato sauce. May soya sauce. Fish sauce. Ayun, oh. Ang dami marka pinya. May pinakurat din, malaki. Hoy, sobrang muhar dito, oh. Ang mura ng pinakurat here, Han. Ang mga pancit canton. At ang favorite ni Alec, ang Indomie. Dito, mura lang. Magkano? So, 3 euro. Kasi 2 pounds, eh. That one. This is the city. Going back to the car. Actually, this is a beautiful city. Newcastle. Maganda siya. Masarap sana mag-ikot pa eh. Kaso, alam niyo na, medyo hindi ako feel as it kasi nga sa nangyayari ngayon dito. Eh, meron kaming batang kasama. Pero dito naman tahimik. Then, madami kaming ang nakitang pulis kanina. Which is good. Meron din silang Grainger Market. Parang Tianggian. Maganda rin sa loob. Eldon Square. Meron din sila ritong Poundland. Poundland, mga mura yung bilihin dyan. Diyan kami bumili ng mga shampoo, plus, kasi mahal sa Netherlands, dito mura. Sila dito, what's that, 1838?
38.
Yeah, 1838 building. Sila dito parang, I forgot how you call that one. Ang ibig sabihin, nagsisimbolize ng peace. Diba? Peace. Peace on earth. Ang taas niya. Ito kami nakapark sa 12th floor. Ngayon ko lang napansin. Meron naman siyang view, yung mga tuktok ng building. So doon kami nang galing sa side. The city of bats. Madaming police. Which is good. Better, more safe. Ayun kami sa floor. Ito kami sa taas. Did you fix it? Okay, let's go. So, ito yung parking. I think more safe dito kasi sa loob. And that's Newcastle. And we reach here in Newcastle Holiday Inn.
Gosford Park.
Gosford Park. Sayang nakita ko yung Northumbria. So, we're so near dung castle na gusto kong mapuntahan. Shaver Trail, please. So, ito na siya. So, Holiday Inn. Mas mukha siyang malaki.
Well, it's not there, Anna. It's 50.
There, here, 50. There.
Sorry.
And we reach here. Yeah, this Holiday Inn is quite big and nice. They have spa, sauna. Oh, they have gym. 50, Alec.
Here, on the light.
Hey, here. We miss. This is our room, 50. Can you open, Alec?
How are you doing, Alec?
Give the key to Alec.
Hello.
Thanks.
Tapos ilagay mo, don't forget to remove the key. I put the key. Go. Get the key. And give me the bag.
Ganda!
my God. Oh, it's big. Ah, but it's connecting room. You see, there is a small door, but it's more bigger. Bed is a bit smaller, but there is a space. Yeah, it's nice. Alec, where's the key?
Mommy, I'm holding this key here.
There's the bathroom. Oh, there is a bathtub then. This is more new because they have this thing. You know, this guy. So, an emergency.
It's for disabled.
Yeah, it's for emergency also when you're alone.
This is a disabled room.
And we have that one. And what's the view here? Ah, ito view namin. Oh,
Beautiful. Oof.
the mall, Bukid.
Oh my gosh.
But it's nice. You can open the window.
Hey guys! We're gonna
This is
check.
Churro.
We're gonna say the review of Jollibee's. I give it a 10 out of 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 10.
Okay, so
Impressive.
na-impress ka sa chicken joy nila.
I
Nasarapan
like
ka.
the pasta a bit.
The spaghetti.
Yeah, the spaghetti, and I like the hot dog.
Jolly hot dog.
Oh yeah, I like
And the
jolly-
chicken joy with the gravy.
Yeah, I like the chicken a bit.
A bit lang. Actually, in fairness sa Jollibee dito, ang sarap ng chicken nila. Crispy from the outside and juicy from the inside. Which is the last time that we was in the Philippines, nung kumain kami ng Jollibee, hindi namin nasarapan yung chicken. And that's why we're eating in McDonald's sa Pilipinas. And normally, pag kumain ako ng Chicken Joy, maximum isa lang. Naubos ko yung dalawang Chicken Joy. It's not that big. Ano lang siya, medium size. Pero masarap. Yung gravy nila, sakto lang din. Jolly hotdog masarap, tsaka yung spaghetti. Pero syempre, kay Albert matamis. Pero in total, masarap siya. Pero medyo mahal. We pay like around 44 or 45 British pound, which is around 3,400, 3,500 pesos for all that food that we ate. Ano siya, meal kasi, yung mga mga combo. And then, yes, Newcastle is very nice city. It's cold. It's more cold in this area kesa dun sa pinanggalingan namin. Ang luwang ng city center nila, ang dami mo pwedeng libutan. But, yun na nga. Since we have bata, even though na gusto namin maglibot, mag-ikot-ikot, better not kasi yung nangyayaring kaguluhan dito sa UK. Wala namang gulo sa Newcastle, maraming pulis nga ako nakita, pero still, 'di ba? As in the safe side, para hindi maruwin yung bakasyon namin, tapos syempre meron din akong 6 years old child. Pas better na ikot lang kami konti, bumili lang kami ng something sa Asian restaurant, as Asian supermarket, may nakita rin ako. Pabili kami nung, KitKat ni Alec, yung strawberry. And then, what else? Ayun, take out ko pa yung peach pie, kakainin ko. Kasi sobrang busog ko kanina. Hindi ko na nakain yung peach pie. What else? So, unfortunately, itong last week namin, ang plano namin is makapaglipot. Hopefully, magawa pa rin namin. Kasi nga, because what's happening in UK, diba? And then, I have a child. We have a small child. So, hindi kami masyado makapaglipot. Hindi kami masyado makaikot ng city. It's because, syempre, takot ako bilang nanay, diba? I mean, hindi ako takot sa sarili ko. Sanay ako Pero, syempre, pag may bata ka, iba. Pero, hopefully, makapaglibot kami sa Glasgow. Scotland is quite quiet, di ba, Albert?
Yeah.
Medyo tahimik naman sa countryside. So, hopefully, medyo makapag-ikot kami doon. And, makita ko nga yung Northumbria, yung castle. Because I'm a very fanatic of The Last Kingdom. And then, sa mismong araw ng birthday ni Alec, we'll see kung ano gagawin namin. Kasi nga, since may mga pangyayaring ganito sa UK, so medyo nasira ang itinerary.
For my birthday, you know what what I said what I want for my birthday. Like I can if I have a cardboard box, then the cardboard box. So then this is the cardboard. It will stand like this, and then the box will be like this, and I have a crib.
Okay. Tagalog, hindi nila naiintindihan.
Later na lang nga!
Diba? Ayun na nga. So, medyo nasira yung itinerary namin dahil sa nangyayari ngayon dito sa UK. But, yun na nga. Hopefully, everything's gonna be fine. Safe naman kami, awa ng Diyos. And we're here in our new hotel. And this Holiday Inn is quite big. Meron pa silang spa. Ang sarap pang pamassage.
Ang social!
Ano?
Ang social!
Ang social daw. Mas malaki siya kaysa compare sa other Holiday Inn na pinagstayan namin. So, we're thinking maybe we'll stay here for 2 nights. We don't know yet. And, yun, kakain ako ng peach pie ko. So, later, guys. So, ito yung peach pie namin na hindi ko nakain at ni Alec. Share kami dito.
Hey, baby.
Hati kami dito. Alec. Hati kami dito, dessert namin. Hindi namin nakain na kanina kasi nga, busog na. So, ngayon ko kakainin. Tapos sabihin sa inyo kung masarap. Albert, how's the peach pie? Is it the same in the Philippines?
I can't wait, guys.
Si Albert nakakain na niya.
Sobrang init.
This one is not in it anymore.
But first, I'm gonna wait until it's not hot.
Alec, ang sarap!
Okay. Good, that's yummy, mommy. That it is.
Kasi sarap din siya. Same taste ng
Philippines.
mango peach pie sa Pilipinas. So, sulit naman siya.
So that means we don't need to go to Philippines anymore. Joke lang. Looking for that.
Sana sa Netherlands. Kasi sa amin sa Netherlands, walang Jollibee. Dito sa UK, I think they have 5 or 6. I don't know. I'm not sure. They have in Glasgow. They have here in Newcastle.
London.
They have in London, Liverpool. So how many is that?
That's
4.
4.
And then, what else? There's in
Birmingham.
Edinburgh, 5.
5.
Birmingham, Manchester.
No, Manchester they don't have.
Oh.
So I think they have 5 or 6 Jollibee here in the UK.
I think they have 10, 6, 5, 7,
7,
8,
So alam nyo guys, it's a shame.
9.
It's a shame na hindi kami masyadong makapaglibot ngayon kasi nga sa sitwasyon dito, syempre, mas gusto na namin dito na lang at least mas safe kami. Kaso yun, wala akong masyadong content sa vlog ko. So, makikita nyo lang lagi yung mukha ko at mukha ni Alec at mukha ni Daddy Albert. Pero, since palipat-lipat kami ng iba-ibang lugar, while na nasa car kami, nakikita namin yung mga place, yung mga nature, yung mga parang sa sightseeing na rin kami, which is maganda rin. Kasi we've been able to see different places here in UK. Nakailang lugar na rin kami. Doncaster, Derby, Liverpool, now in Newcastle. Where else we've been? London. Nakalimutan ko na yung iba. Pero marami kaming napuntahan, which is good. Still nakita namin. And exactly, nakita namin ang London before na nagkaroon ng gulo doon. Kasi maghapon kami sa London kasi nga yun yung wish ni Alec na makita niya ang London. And napicturean ko siya So, gusto ko mapicturean kasi nasa Dubai kami, na-experience ni Alec ang in Dubai. So, may picture din siya doon. And then, this time, 7 years old siya sa London Eye naman, di ba? Pero alam nyo, mapapansin nyo sa picture kasi ipapost ko yon. I think on her birthday.
Sarap, guys.
Oh, masarap yung alin nito, peach pie.
Oo.
Hindi, i-cook muna. I-cook muna, tapos kumain ko. Yun na nga. So,
Ay, sarap.
yung in Dubai, it's double the size than London Eye pala. Kaya dun, pag nakita nyo yung papost ng picture ni Alec, makikita nyo ang laki ng in Dubai kasi mas malaki siya talaga compare sa London Eye. And then yung London Bridge, Is London Bridge is boring. Pero yung famous, bridge is, what's the name, Albert? Tower Bridge?
Yeah.
Tower Bridge. Kasi lagi sa video or something sabihin, let's visit the London Bridge. Tower Bridge pala yung name nun. Nawa ko lang din nalaman. Gutom ka.
Sarap!
May pasarap na. Papikit-pikit ka pa dyan. Masarap yung peach pie, no? Actually, okay na ako. Sold na ako. Isang kain lang sa Jollibee. Okay na sa akin. Kasi natikman ko na. Kung babalik man ako sa Jollibee, ang bibiling ko na lang is ito, yung mango peach pie. Okay na ako kasi makakain lang naman ako sa best sa Jollibee. Okay na sa akin eh. Natikman ko yung spaghetti, Jolly hotdog, tapos yung gravy nila. Perfect na, di ba? What is our plan today? Ang dami naming madaming damit pa. So kasi 5 weeks na kami rito. And the last time we've been in holiday house is parang 4 weeks, 3 weeks ago ba? Oo, parang ganun.
Holiday house? Bucket.
The last time we've been in holiday house.
What is a holiday
It's the
house?
second week. Second week.
I don't know holiday house.
Huh?
What is a holiday house?
The one we rent the last time.
That's a long time ago. Huh?
Yeah, one was that one. Second time, di ba? So all our clothes is dirty already.
Guys, I just fixed my luggage.
You picture luggage?
Yeah, I fixed my luggage.
Oh, sige na, later na lang guys. Babay ka na. Ang dami na
That's
namin.
why I was going somewhere.
Ang dami na namin dada. Puro kami kuda ng mag-ina. Kasi nga,
baka na guys!
Kasi nga, hindi naman kami makaikot, hindi naman makapaglibot masyado. Kanina, hindi rin kami nakapaglibot masyado. Nag-ikot kami, pero limit lang. Hindi talaga namin in-explore. Gawa nung alam nyo na. Kaya yun. What to do? But still, we're having fun, right?
Bye-bye, guys!